All right, so here are 10 food business ideas that AI will never replace, and it has the opportunity to grow to a $5,000 a month business. And I'm going to prove it to you because AI, I know everyone says taking over very fast, but there is a truth behind nobody's talking about. The safest businesses right now are the ones that are physical, they're sensory, or even human driven. Now, people don't just want food, they want taste, smell, and experience and a connection. Now, those things, algorithms will never replace. Sorry, they can't replicate these things. And if your goal is to build a $5,000 a month business that stays relevant long term, these are the ones that I would be building today and how it actually works. Number one, artisanal sourdough micro bakeries. These can be done at home with very few ingredients and very few actual pieces of equipment because you have most of it already. This is the simplest, most powerful business model on this list. You're turning flour, water, and time into a premium product that people crave. Fresh bread hits all five senses, and of course, that alone creates the demand. Now, you want to sell directly to your neighborhood using maybe weekly subscription models like fresh bread every Fridays type of concept. Why this works? Well, extremely low ingredient cost, high perceived value, and repeat customers. This is AI-proof advantage. I can show you no software can replicate the smell of fresh bread and an experience of picking up a warm loaf from an actual person. Number two, craft small batch hot sauce. Yeah, hot sauce is a flavor-driven business, and flavor is subjective. That's the edge, actually. You want to create unique, hyper-local combinations like fermented garlic honey habanero, smoked peach chili hot sauce, and the list goes on. Now, why this works, it has a long shelf life, it's easy to ship, and strong branding potential. You want an AI-proof advantage? Well, AI can't taste, and it can't balance heat, sweetness, and acidity the way that a human palate can. Number three is fitness and niche meal prep. Now, this one is one of the fastest ways to predictable income every single month. Now, people don't want to cook. They want results. Partner with local gyms or even target busy professionals. Lock in clients on a monthly plan. Now, just imagine for an example here, 15 clients. If they paid you just $350 a month, which is not a lot for meal prep, that equals $5,250 in revenue. Now, why it works? It's reoccurring revenue, clear value, of course, health and conscious and convenience. Also, high demand. AI can plan meals, but it can't actually cook, portion, and deliver them. Number four, exotic mushroom farming. This is a hidden gem, guys. You can grow high-end mushrooms in a small indoor setup and sell directly to restaurants. Actionable strategy on this, use a small climate-controlled grow tent. Even 10 foot by 10 foot. Even could be in your yard, your backyard. It could be any part of property. Focus on premium varieties like lion's mane or even oyster mushrooms. Why this works? Well, high perceived value as well and a high per pound, or about $12 to $20 with minimal space required. Strong demand from chefs as well over local restaurants. AI-proof advantage, this is a biological production. You're literally growing food. That's something that AI can't physically do, okay? Number five, PopUp Craft BBQ. Scarcity sells, and barbecue is one of the most labor-intensive, skill-driven food businesses that are out there, but operate only 1 to 2 days per week. You want to sell out early and build up a lot of hype. Why it works? High ticket items, low operating days, massive demand. Slow cooked meats, AI proof advantage, fire controlled flavor development, and hands-on skills that cannot be automated. Number six, probiotic fermentation. This is great for gut health. This is hugely popular right now. Fermented foods are exploding in popularity. From kimchi to kombucha, people are actively seeking gut health products. Now, the actionable strategy for this one is you want to sell at farmers markets, offer weekly subscriptions for reoccurring customers. Then growth, actually when growing health trends actually keeps this working. Repeat customers, repeat buyers, unique flavors. AI-proof advantage, you're working with live bacteria and constantly evolving flavor profiles, something software can't manage or replicate physically. Number seven, a boutique private dining. Now this is in-home chef experience. So if you love to cook, this might be down your alley. This is where food meets luxury. You're not just serving meals, you're creating experiences for your clients. Actionable strategy, you're charging about $150 per person for intimate high-end dinners in clients' homes. Now why this works? High profit per event, premium positioning, and unique experience. Now the AI proof advantage on this one is you're selling storytelling, atmosphere, and human connection, not just food. That again, AI can't replicate. Number eight, hand-painted chocolate. Yes, this is edible art. And believe it or not, this is a huge, huge industry. Luxury chocolate isn't about hunger, it's about gifting and emotion. Actionable strategy for this one is package chocolates in premium boxes. A set of 12 can easily sell for $40 to $60 or more dollars. And I've actually seen these on Amazon. I've even seen them online. Why this works? High perceived value, gift market demand, and creative differentiating. Now, AI proof advantage on this one, well, this requires physical precision and artistic skill and craftsmanship that machines can't replicate at a human level. Number 9, viral street food cart. Yes, simple, focused, viral street food, and is very profitable. Instead of a full menu, you master one item and make it unforgettable. Action for this, pick one product like smash burgers, for instance, perfect it, and you want to make it a highly shareable and social media product. Why this works? It's a low startup cost, fast service, viral potential, AI proof on advantage. This business thrives on smell, visuals, and real-time interaction, things that AI cannot deliver. Number 10, neighborhood raw honey. Yes, believe it or not, raw honey is a huge industry. This might be the most underrated business on this list, but bees do the work and you manage the system. Now, your strategy is you want to place hives in local backyards or rooftops and smell hyper local honey at premium places. Why it works? Minimal ongoing labor, premium pricing, and strong local demand. Your AI proof advantage? Well, you're leveraging nature itself. This is real world production that cannot be digitized. So a couple of takeaways. Here's the big picture. The future belongs to businesses that are physical, selling real products, local with community driven concepts, and sensory, taste, smell, and experience. Also with a human connection and human trust. That's something AI will not replace. You can build a business that operates completely outside the algorithm's reach. So if these were helpful, let me know. Give me a big thumbs up if you have questions about these concepts or more. If you're actually doing some of these, let us know how you launched your business. I'll see you on our next video.